I knew a chap, his name was John. Sat back, relaxed and kicked bombs. He was kind of alright most of the day, but at night he would haze in the bubble in the days. It was okay, we would sit with him. Back to he would go to the fridge and make us lots of things. Chocolate out to eat, I got a little bit of him giving it back. He's got a little bit of giving, cheeky chap, he loved a little smile and a lot of laughter. Giggling off after a zoo door, a bit of biff, but I'd love to smoke. Sit by man there, toe, but he's broken, in a broken home. Don't know what to do, cause his life is only some remix. A troubled day. Watch your dreams and hopes just fade, losing life. And I remember a man called Pete. His name was Pete, for fuck's sake. But Pete couldn't eat wheat intolerant, so we weren't that responsive when we meet. So couldn't keep up with the conversation. Used to cause him lots of down concentration. Couldn't add it up, couldn't think straight. And at school we could stop the piss took, mate. It's a long, long way, it's a long, long life, but we didn't know what to do. He looked at his mom and his dad and they said to him, son, you're screwed. You're not like all the rest. Don't think you'll be the best, but it's okay, Pete, cause I love you. What was it? Fuck it, carry on. Sit back with Scott, a lot of times smoke pot, and I think about the rock bottom that we keep scraping, retaliating every day cause the politicians make mistakes. And I wanna be a revolutionist, but the truth is I'm not that smart cause I'm stupid. Yeah, just another arrogant kid from the block, locked up and his job's just lost. In the gutter we stand, in a life and the boundaries make the taking us. I don't get that straight line, don't get walking, don't get time in that free freedom of speech. It ain't free really, cause they hold it down lock and key. I don't know what life is. Life's gonna be priceless. I do.